Taller, shorter. In this module, you will learn about taller, shorter, tall, taller, tallest, and short, shorter, shortest. Sophie's paper plane is stuck in a tree, and she has been trying repeatedly to get it out. However, Sophie cannot reach the plane. So she goes to Sid and asks for help. Sid has agreed to help her. Sid tries a lot, but he also couldn't reach the plane. Uncle Joe has been watching what Sophie and Sid are doing. When he walks up to them and tries, he can easily get the plane out of the tree. Now Sid is asking Uncle Joe how he could do it easily. Uncle Joe explains to Sid, Sophie is shorter than you, and you are taller than Sophie, but still you couldn't reach the plane, whereas I am taller than you. In other words, Sophie is not tall enough to reach the plane. She is tall, but Sid is taller than Sophie, while Uncle Joe is the tallest amongst them. Let's recap. Sophie is shorter and Sid is taller. Sophie is tall, but Sid is taller, while Uncle Joe is the tallest amongst them. In other words, we can also say that if Uncle Joe is short, then Sid is shorter, and Sophie is the shortest amongst them.